Yes, Mwesh.
Yes.
Naona una trend sana kwa mtandao. Umeamua dve.
Yesterday I made a very strong decision. Not even yesterday, something that has been coming into my mind. Because by 2027, I'll be in that age group. I'll be around 35 or so. Yes. So I've been asking myself, can we have new people, young person on the top?
New faces.
New faces, so that we can have a new face that will transform this country. And I've been asking myself, who is this youthful person? Who is popular? And who is that can be acceptable?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. It's who? It's none other than Peter Selassie. And maybe God has given me that grace that I might be the youngest youngest person to become the president of Kenya. And so tomorrow I'll be making an official statement about the same. We are going for the president of this Republic of Kenya. And mine, you cannot compare mine with Kina Peter Kenneth, because Kina Peter Kenneth, they were not walking, they were not moving. Kina Japoya came in the very last. But for my case, first of all, I have numbers. And number two, I have the capacity to move. The way like we did in entire Western Kenya. We are not going to do it on social media. And we're going on the ground. And we'll be talking about agenda. I'll not be talking about insulting anyone. But I'll be talking about if I get an opportunity to be the president of this Republic of Kenya. This is what, if the papers I do have. Sometimes maybe English I could type kwa mtandao. But see, I'll have the people to be typing for me. Making speeches for me. You know, I'm going to be very serious. And for the next, we are going to run a very serious campaign. And it's
so likely, after Western tour,
yes.
Where are you headed?
No, we are heading to, will be Kisii, Mombasa, Ukambani, and everywhere. We are now talking about the new face in the political limelight. Because now I'm seeing we need to run. So it's going to be a two-horse race between me and William Ruto. Yeah. And I'm going to say, when I defeat him, he's going to accept. He's going to accept. For me, he's going to accept.
Hataenda kotini.
Hataenda kotini. Hataenda kotini. Na mimi nitaambia ni sawa. Yote ambayo ilifanyika ni sawa. Lakini sasa wacha tujenge Kenya.
Na pia kushinda hauendi kotini.
Na mimi sitaenda tena mambo ati after.
Lakini uko na matumaini haiwezi kushinda.
Haiwezi kushinda.